There's really nothing like lakefront property, and I'm here today in North Lakeland. Can't wait to show you this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. The views are amazing. Walk right out the door, get in your boat, and go fishing, skiing, whatever you want to do. We're here on Lake Gibson in North Lakeland. Let's go take a look at this lakefront beauty. So I'm excited to show you 5530 Driftwood Drive. We are here again in North Lakeland, and first of all, on the outside it has a circular drive coming right off this way, or you can enter on the other side of the bushes there. Plenty of parking. Can't wait to show you the view and this home, the setup that it's got. It's really nice, very well maintained. You can see some of the new landscaping they've got done in the front here. This listing is courtesy of my business partner, Russ Rhodes. Either of us can help you on this home, so I'm excited to give you this video tour. So when you first walk in, I want you to notice a few things. It's got really nice crown molding throughout here. The main areas, there's custom built-ins. The fireplace, the TV. This is ceramic tile flooring, so it's great for pets, for kids. And you can see all the sets of French doors overlooking beautiful Lake Gibson. You can walk right out here, and we're going to go take a look at this in just a second even more, but that is straight out your back door, and that's your boat dock. So let's go back in and take a tour of the home first, kind of give you an idea. So we came in this way. You can see the dining area. Got a area here for you can pass some food through, and got a wet bar. I'm sorry, it's really like a buffet bar. You can put, when you're hosting something, you can put some nice items, some good food items, good stuff. They're cooking on this beautiful countertop here. Custom wood cabinets. Stainless steel appliances here in the kitchen. You can see these are really nice. You got the double oven, huge kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space, plenty of counter space. KitchenAid stainless steel. You can see right through here. Cooktop, nice big oval sink and window overlooking the front yard. So let's go take a look at the house. When we go down this way, you're going to see the guest bathroom first. You can tell they've done some nice upgrades and really taken very good care of this. This is the same as in the kitchen. Tub shower combination. Toilet area. Coming back here. Nice sized bedroom. This carpet is in tremendous shape. Crown molding in this room. And wood window sills also around these double windows. Closet area this way. Then your primary suite, your master bedroom, is huge, nice size right here. It's got the double closet doors, crown molding, and then you've got beautiful water views here also. Now this is your toilet area, your shower, and then your sink. Step up tub. Take a look at this closet. Ladies and gentlemen, right? Guys, I don't know where you're gonna put your stuff. Ladies, got a pretty nice shoe rack there, built-in dresser. Ah, there's the man section right there, okay? Hey guys, you can get shirts here, pants here. You got plenty of room. Belts, you can get your own belt area. So, plenty of room over here too for hanging things. Lots of natural light, even more space if you want to even add something on this wall, in my opinion. Plenty of room there. All right, so, and again, you've got a view that, if you want to walk right out there, we got some clouds rolling in here. So the lake's getting a little rough, but let's head out that way. So 3 bedrooms, 2 bath right here. And then there is a really nice home office. Now down here, by the way, two-car garage to the right, this way, kitchen pantry right here, okay? I'm sorry, laundry, okay? Not forget about that. This laundry room is big too. So full-size washer dryer, got cabinets, counter space, folding table if you will. Plenty of space here, really, really nice. Security system. And then here is your office area. So you can see they're doing a little bit of storage here, but that is the office in the back right rear of the home. And I just also point out, look at this nice woodwork. Somebody really did some nice trim work, some nice carpentry on the home in the main areas. And then coming out here to this area, this is really nice because it does have air conditioning. So it's fully vented, heated, and cooled. And it's got it's a nice quiet tone out here. And it's got the nice wood, you got lighting. Again, windows all overlooking the water. You can see all the French doors. And then straight ahead, that was where the office was. Let's go out here where all the action is. Huge deck. Got some lighting, some lights out here. The breeze is blowing in. Actually, no, December of 2024 is when we're making this video. And we got a little cool breeze blowing in for Floridians. We're not used to this. I'm gonna walk out here and show you this, how big Lake Gibson is. You can see all the boating docks everybody has here. So let's just walk you right out this way. So you can kind of see. It's blowing in this way. We're live. We're not editing anything. So this is great. And there's the rear of the home. So what I'm not going to show you here right now but there is a storage building here on the left. You can see that with a deck. So that's really nice. It's a great home, just over a ½ acre, and really well taken care of. So I'd love to show you this home, tell you more about it, myself or my business partner, Russ Rhodes. His number 863-604-1570. And my name is Brian Stevens, eXp Realty. All my contact information is below. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Hey, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Do me a favor, if you would like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, that would be great. Even click the notification button. Whenever I drop a video, you'll get notified there's a new walkthrough tour video or something that's going to add value to your real estate needs. Would love to connect with you. All my contact information is below. Have a great day.